Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be replacing a Serpentine belt on a 2013 to 2018 Nissan Altima with the 2.5. This is the 5th generation. All right, obviously it's in this area over here. We're going to get it from the bottom. You can't get it from the top. Okay, if your belt is squeaking or, you know, it's due to be replaced, a couple, 3 or 4 years, you got to replace it. It's rubber, doesn't last forever. So we're going to take care of that right now. Got the car on a lift because it's easier to film, but you can do this. You could just jack it up. Make sure you jack it, and you use jack stands. Jacks do not hold weight. Stands do. They're only supposed to lift. Okay, take the wheel off. You have 21 millimeter for the lugs. Take the tire off. And over here, you have these little push pins. You get a screwdriver in there. You pop them out 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, we're going to take this off. And we're going to see if we have to take this one off a little bit. I don't know yet. And we're going to continue. Now, over here, you got push pins too. To take this out, just to move this a little bit. I mean, you could probably get it through here, but I'm going to do it because I'm videoing it. And I'm going to take this off. Down here, we got, what do we got here? There's right here is a Phillips head screws here, here, and there. And you just basically bend this up, and it exposes the whole serpentine belt with the tensioner. And then we just move it out of the way like this. Okay, and it gives you a nice clear shot of the, I'll put the helmet light on. There we go. Of what we're going to take off. Now, you got a 17 millimeter up here. And you put a 17 millimeter, let me show you. Right up there. You see right here? That's going to be a 17 millimeter, just like this. You put it on here, okay? And you push it clockwise all the way until you get, there's a little pin here and a hole. Let me zoom it in a little bit. All right, you see that? Now, the tensioner has a hole, and the body of the tensioner has another hole, and you put something in there that's going to fit to keep the, like that. So now, when you release the pressure, like I just did, now the belt is loose. You see how I did that? Let me zoom it in there. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. It's in there, nice. Now it's not going to move. Now we can take the belt off. How you take the belt off? Very simple. Goes over the water pump up there. Comes around the tensioner, around the crankshaft, around the AC compressor, and back up to the water pump. So when you take it off, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the new one on, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, we got the new belt on. And once you get the new belt on, you're going to take that pin out. All right, it puts the tension on it. Now, all the way up there, you have the alternator. Then we got the water pump, comes around the tensioner to the crankshaft and the AC compressor. Okay, you put it on the top first on the alternator. Then you snake it, route it through the way I just told you. Okay, and you take that pin out and you're done. And basically, you just reverse the procedure of the removal. You put this back, you put the push pins back. You have Phillips head screwdrivers, Phillips head screws here, here, and there. Okay, you put the wheel back on. Make sure you torque the wheel to spec. All right, you don't just impact it on there. And you're good to go, and you just save yourself $200. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions, try to help everybody out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.